Today, we are going to learn a new chapter from the portion manufacturing industries. Before that, if you are yet to subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for getting the latest notifications. So let us move into the topic. Today we are going to study about aluminum smelting industry. First of all, what do you mean by smelting? The word meaning smelting. The extraction of metal from its ore by the process involving heating and melting is known as smelting. Okay. If you are separating metal from its ore by heating and melting, that process is known as smelting. Aluminum smelting is the second important metallurgical industry in India. After iron and steel, it is the second important metallurgical industry in India. What is the significance of aluminium, or what are the specialties of aluminium? It is light, that means it is lightweight, resistant to corrosion, it is resisting the rust, it is not rusted easily, it is a good conductor of heat, it is malleable, easily you can make shapes from it once it is in a molten state, and it becomes very strong when we are mixing it with other metals. So these are the specialities of aluminium. Now, for what purpose we are using aluminium? We are using aluminium to manufacture aircraft, utensils, and wire. How it gained popularity, how it got popular, how it became popular among the people. It has gained popularity as a substitute of steel, copper, zinc, and lead in a number of industries. It is using, or it has replaced steel, copper, zinc, and lead in a number of industries. Now, in which all states you can see aluminum smelting plants in Odisha, West Bengal, Kerala, Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, and Tamil Nadu. Bauxite, the raw material used. So, which is the raw material used in aluminum smelting or for the manufacture of aluminum? Bauxite. Bauxite is the raw material used in the. There is the ore of aluminum, and it is the raw material used in the manufacture of aluminum. The following flowchart shows how the process of the manufacturing of aluminum. That is, the raw material is taken from bauxite quarry. It is taken, first of all, the raw material is obtained from the bauxite quarry. It is taken to aluminum refinery where it is crushed and alumina is dissolved. It is crushed, it is melted, then alumina is dissolved, and finally it is taken to aluminum smelter, and cryolite is acted as an electrolyte for speeding up the chemical process. Okay, cryolite is used, and finally you are getting the output aluminum. What are the necessary conditions required for the manufacturing of aluminum? Regular supply of electricity and sure supply of raw material at a minimum cost are the two important factors for the location of aluminum industry. These are the main factors which are necessary for the location of aluminum industry. Now, next is question time. A factory produces aluminum saucepans with plastic handles. It obtains aluminum from a smelter and a plastic component from another factory. All the manufactured saucepans are sent to a warehouse. So it is a case-based question. A factory is producing aluminum saucepans and it is having a plastic handles, and it obtains aluminum. It is getting aluminum from an aluminum smelting plant. What are the plastic from another industry? So in that situation, which raw material is likely to be more expensive to transport and why? Of course, aluminum, because it is heavier than plastic, and saucepan body, it is bulkier than the handle. Now, which raw material is likely to be the cheapest to transport and why? The transportation of plastic would be cheaper as it is light material and easily can be transported. Do you think the cost of transporting the finished products after packaging is likely to be cheaper or more expensive than the cost of transporting aluminum and plastic? Why? Yes, the cost of transporting the finished product would be more as it requires more space to fit in. Also, it needs a lot of protection to be transported intact and not get damaged as it could lead to losses. So, apart, there is if you compare raw material and the finished product, the cost of transporting finished product is more. What is expensive? Why? You have to be very careful while transporting the finished product. And it needs extra space to fit in. And while transporting, in the case of raw material, we don't want extra care and protection, but in the case of finished product, we need that. So hopefully you liked the video. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for the notification. Thank you so much.